Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is speaking challenge of day 6, and today I'm going to share with you my practical experience of learning English, and this will be really helpful for you and if you are a learner of English. It's been a long I'm learning English, but when I knew about basic thing of English, and that time my learning process become easiest for improvement. And what is that? First of all, good morning for the morning. And if you wanna start your conversation with people, so try to make conversation by your simple English. That's mean good morning, how are you? And I will reply you, I am fine. What about you? You will answer, I am not good at all, because the mistake I made, it never can go with me. So that kinds of example you can reload with yourself, and this is one of the best trick, because and if you start from the difficult sentences, like, and if you think more vocabulary, first of all I will learn vocabulary, then after and I will start my learning journey, and this is not a process. Because and if you speak and if you make conversation, then after your confidence will boost, and in that time, so you can take action for yourself for vocabulary, for English grammar. Because everybody makes mistake, but and if somebody take action after making mistakes, so they are actually man to get success. And I feel that everybody should need to focus like that, and learning is equal mistake, and if somebody make mistakes, and they are actually learning. And I'm also learning that simple English, and also get me simple English give me my improvement, and I'm getting fluency, and from that, and this is strategy, and which will really help you for your spoken English, for your improvement. And vocabulary doesn't matter, think practical, and try to convert, try to think what have in your back, what have in your surround, in your around, like this, and you can convert that, and then after you can be perfect your fluency. I feel you understand, and I think you got the idea what I am going to share, and what I share already that. And if you're watching this video from YouTube and from others platform, never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this, and because then I am working just for you. It might be not a good fluency in my speaking, but I will guarantee you that is whatever you are listening from my mouth, from my mouth muscle, so that are 100% truth, and that is actually will help you on your speaking growing. So thank you so much, and if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe. This is a red button, and for share this video with cousin, with your friends, and with anyone, because these tips, this kinds of video, and will really help you for your improvement. Thank you, and have a nice day. See you next one.